Before we dive into the coding part, let's take a quick look at the final result of what we're about to build. This will give you a clear idea of what to expect and how everything comes together. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your support helps us grow and create more content like this for you. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Let's get started. This code creates a custom code editor using Python's Tkinter library. The editor includes basic file operations, new open save, a dark and light theme toggle, line numbers, a status bar showing the current line and column, and integration with Flake 8 for syntax checking. Here's a breakdown of its components. Imports, Tkinter, used for creating the graphical user interface, GUI. File dialog, message box, simple dialog. For opening, saving files, and simple pop-up dialogs, OS, subprocess. For interacting with the operating system and running commands, such as running Flake 8 for syntax checking. Flake 8, a tool used for checking Python code for syntax errors and style violations. Code editor. Class, the main class that defines the behavior of the custom code editor. She self, root. Initializes the editor window with basic settings like size, title, and default theme, light mode. Sets up the menu, toolbar, editor frame for code and line numbers, scroll bars, status bar, and binds events to handle user actions, e.g. key presses. Mode variables. Light mode and dark mode dictionaries store colors for backgrounds and text for both themes. The current mode variable holds the current theme and is toggled by the toggle mode method. Apply mode self. This method applies the selected theme to the editor's root window, text widget, line numbers, and status bar. Toggle mode self switches between light and dark modes by toggling current mode and calling apply mode. Update line numbers self event none. Updates the line numbers in the left side text widget. It gets the number of lines in the editor and updates the display. Update status osh bar self event t none. Updates the status bar with the current line and column number and the active theme mode. File operations, new file, self. Clears the editor, resets the text area. Open file self. Opens a file dialog, reads the selected file, and inserts its content into the editor. Save file self. Opens a save file dialog and saves the content of the editor into a file. Event handlers, on key release, self event. Updates the line numbers every time a key is released in the editor. Get current word self. Retrieves the word under the cursor in the editor. Check syntax self event none. Runs Flake 8 on the code in the editor to check for syntax errors. It temporarily writes the code to a file, runs Flake 8, and outputs errors, if any, to the console. GUI layout, menu bar, provides file options like new, open, save, and exit. Toolbar contains buttons for creating a new file, opening a file, saving a file, and toggling between light and dark mode. Editor frame holds two text widgets, line numbers, displays the line numbers on the left. Code editor, the main area where code is typed. It supports features like undo and syntax highlighting. Scroll bars, a vertical scroll bar is added to the editor to allow scrolling when the code exceeds the viewable area. Status bar displays the current line and column number as well as the active theme. Execution, the editor runs inside a TK instance, root, and when executed, the main window, root.mainLoop, will start the editor's event loop, allowing interaction.